Hey guys, today we're going to make some grilled chicken with penne and broccoli. So what I do, I usually put the broccoli in the water that I'm going to cook the pasta with to retain the flavor, and that way you get more broccoli flavor. And that's it for that. Make sure you just blanch the broccoli, you don't cook it completely because you don't want it to be mushy. Okay, next I will saute my broccoli with olive oil and butter, salt, pepper, garlic. I didn't have any more garlic cloves, so I know, bummer. But you could put a whole garlic or garlic powder, however you want it. For my chicken breast, I made a marinade with lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper, half a teaspoon of chicken powder, half a teaspoon of garlic salt, and some fresh rosemary. I'll have the recipe in the description, so you don't need to worry about it. And I grill for a good 10-15 minutes on each side. And also what I do, I add a little bit of heavy cream. You could put more, it's to the taste. And also I finish cooking the pasta with the water that I use to cook the broccoli with. That gives a little extra kick. And then finally I use the beloved Parmesan cheese Reggiano. Put as much as you want. You can put it before, after. It's up to you. There you have it, guys, and broccoli with grilled chicken. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to get more videos. Thank you so much.